many ways can I say, man, damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no imitation. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation.
I be so mountain high, I'm feeling elevated. Fuck it, I can touch the sky. Riding this escalator, way to reach my destination. Never hesitating, even when them haters keep on hating. I'm the life of the party. No tailgating, drink that Bacardi. We fucking celebrating, no limitations. I gotta go all the way, and this time I'll be paving my own way, letting no one hold me back or talk behind my back. And let's make it toast to never going broke, that's a fact. It's my life, I gotta make the best out of that. Inspired by the fire in my eyes that light up at night.
Nobody got to hold me back. If you're feeling zoned, come on in, let's go. Damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no limitations. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation. I'm inspiration.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Today is a Sunday. It's the end of the week. I got another video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the new 2023 Honda Civic Type R FL5, and we're going to talk about the differences to my FK8, what you guys think about the new design, what I think about the new design. And we don't know exactly what power is to be expected with the new Type R, so stay tuned for that. Maybe that'll be in another video once Honda releases that information. But yeah, before we start, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and major blessings to everybody. Let's get this video started, y'all. Okay, so first of all, what do you guys think about the new design? Put it in the comments. Is it too little? Do you feel like maybe Honda could have took some leaps of faith, went a little more aggressive like the FK8? Or do you feel that it's an appropriate design, it's a more mature design? What do you guys think about it? Personally, what I think, there's there are some things I like about it, and there's some things I really just don't understand why Honda did. So, for starters, you guys, I love the front end. I think the front end is super aggressive. I like the new headlights, the new heat exchanger, you know, whatever you call it, the hood scoop. I like how it has a bigger opening for the front mount intercooler. That definitely is going to do, you know, some numbers for sure. Things I don't like though is the rear. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw like pictures up here when I'm talking about it, you guys, so you can see what I'm talking about, that design. So yeah, they'll be up here in the video. But basically the rear, I just don't understand. Like it just looks like a Stinger to me, or a little bit of a Camry from the sides to the rear. You know, that's just my personal opinion. I really am not liking the rear. I think there needs to be some serious body designs right there for sure. The side skirts on the side I also don't like, but I do like on the FK8 how, on the FL5, how the rear panel door actually matches the rest of the body. I thought that was a unique touch. What's another good thing? Well, it's made in Japan, right? It's no longer made in the UK like the FK8. It's officially Japan. It's got the VIN number to display it, to show it. You know, I'll show you an example right here. All right. But yeah, I like the design from the front. The sides I can get used to, but the rear is gonna need some serious changes. Like, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Compared with the FK8, I'm just gonna take the camera over here. Compared to the FK8, style on my Type R. I mean, look how aggressive it looks. I understand the fake vents and everything, those can go, but that's not what I'm talking about. I like the whole molding right here on the FK8. I like how the rear valance bumper sticks out more. I like how I added this carbon fiber piece. Like, that's what I feel the FL5 needs, is just more, you know, body work to clear those triple exhaust outlets. That's what I feel, just like on the FK8 I have here. I don't know, maybe I'm just too used to this design, but the tail lights, I love my tail lights, at least the OP7 on the FK8, how it matches the body line. I've talked about this in other previous videos, but the FL5, like right here, you can see the pick. It's just, I don't know, it just doesn't work for me. Maybe it's the color of the lights, maybe they need to be smoked, I'm not sure. But either way, not a fan of the rear. I think, you know, aftermarket support is really going to make some changes to that. I can already see it happening, just like they did with the new WRX, right? So we'll see what happens. I'll throw a pic of the sides up here for the FL5 right there. Compared to the FK8 though, Honda was really playing safe here, because on my Type R, it angles up and then it goes to this rear quarter panel right here. I like how that design is. I don't like the fake carbon fiber, which eventually I'm going to switch this out to real carbon fiber. But I like the design of the side skirt going up into the body of the FK8. I think that's a really smart design, especially these right here, the fender vents. Obviously mine are switched out to APR's carbon fiber ones, and they have real airflow here, openings. But the FLA5, they played that safe again. They're really small, so I don't know, maybe they're just trying to target a more mature audience. I mean, I guess they think this is like too teenager-like, but in my opinion, I like the size of the FK8. It just makes more sense to me than the FLA5. Now, who's not to say I might pick up an FL5, you know? I don't know why I say FL5. I might pick up one, who knows, in the future. But for right now, I'm not going to be trading this for the new Type R. No. There's too much work in here, too much money, too much dedication. I really think you guys are going to like the final result once it's all done. You know, I still got to do the big turbo and everything like that. You know, but yeah. So, and then let's go to the hood. Obviously mine's switched out to CMST tuning, carbon fiber hood with full outlet openings. But on the FL5, it's just a little heat exchanger right here. So I'm not understanding how the air is going to go this way. I imagine when you're going against the current of the wind, it flows this way, then it goes down. I'm not sure how Honda is designing that. Obviously, it's designed for a purpose, which I'm not familiar with yet. Maybe we'll get more information once they release that information of what it's for. Talking about the engine, let's take the camera over here. Obviously, you guys, mine is, well, it's pretty modified, right? It's full bolt on, but and tuned, variable stage 2. But looking at the engine perspective, I'll throw the FL5 right up here. Look at the difference. What is this, that piece right there? What is this little rectangular carbon fiber piece? I'm not sure what that exactly is used for, so I guess we'll find out more information on that. And as of terms of power wise, well, what do you guys think it's gonna make? Put it in the comments. My prediction, my honest prediction, is that, well, the FK8 made 306 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque, right? To the crank, obviously that's not wheels, so we're talking to the crank. But my prediction for the FL5 is gonna be somewhere around, I would say 315, honestly, 315 to 320. I don't think it's going to top 320 horsepower for being a front wheel drive vehicle. We'll see. But on that same note, I mean, Honda could probably pull something out of the park here, you know, and really wow everybody. Who knows? But I just think it's going to be around that number, 315 to 320. You guys put your estimated guesses in there, your guesstimates, and let me know what y'all think about that. What else? Honestly, I like the 20 to 21s Type R's FK8 front bumpers just a lot more. I think it was a very smart design to put these little things in. Not everybody's a fan of them, but I think they really make the body kit, in my opinion. So I don't see me switching that out, and if I did, I would switch it out for Veris. That's literally the only front bumper I actually like. I don't like the spoon, I don't like, you know, Mugen, anything like that. So it most likely be a Veris to match everything with all the carbon fiber blacked out. So that would look really sick, I agree. Let me know what you guys think about that. Put that in comments if you want. We can have a discussion about it. For the wheels, what do you guys think? I mean, compare, not my wheels, but the stock FK8s to the FL5s. I like how the FL5s, they just have, I don't know, it looks more like not a gloss. It's like kind of like a dry, I don't know how to say it, like a dry kind of black with a little hint of gloss to it. It's like a flat black, in other words, right? But it's a little bit shinier. I don't know what they did, but they did something. I think the wheels look awesome. I think the FL5 needs to be lowered. It needs to be sitting on different tires, because they're, what are they, 265, 30, 19, right, for the FL5s? Well, the Type R came with 245, 30, 20, I believe is what the stock tires were, those Continentals. Now they come with Michelin PS4s, which is awesome. Actually, I think they're Cup 2s, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. PS4s or Cup 2s, either one, they're Michelin. Amazing tires. However, I love my Yokohama Advans, you know, so that's definitely a matter of opinion. But let me know what you guys think about that. Remember, those wheels are being switched out here soon. The CE28s are coming. They're literally almost here. Should be probably next week or the week after. Obviously, I will do a video, you guys, once they arrive. But yeah, I think that clears up the front, that clears up the rear, that clears up the side, that clears up the engine, clears up the power. What else is there to talk about? Well, the interior. So I'll be right back. Ah, yes, the interior. How could we forget that? Well, you guys, this is honestly my favorite part about the new Type R. Not everybody is going to agree with me, but the FL5's interior compared to the FK8, there are some major differences. There are some things that look kind of the same, like, well, the rear seats, for example, right? We'll look at that in a second. But just coming from the interior standpoint, I really like the new seats. I'm gonna throw up a pic right here, you guys, but I really like the new seats in the Type R. Looks like the same amount of bolstering in the FK8, but maybe a little bit more aggressive in the FL5. But I really like how they're all red. Not everybody's gonna agree with me, but I love that about the FL5. And I also like how we get full red carpeting mats. However, those are going to get really dirty, but I think the interior is honestly popping. I like the new AC vent design right there. It would take time to get used to coming from the FK8, but yeah, I still love the FK8's interior, don't get me wrong, but I believe the FL5 has better quality materials, like up here, the door panels, stuff like that. You know, my interior is a little bit dirty here, but with the kids and wife. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the interior. I think it looks cool. I definitely dig it. It's definitely one of my favorite parts about the FL5 Type R. So I don't know. The rear seats, to be honest, they look exactly the same. Let's open this door up real quick. I got my kids' seats in the back, right? Because they like to go in this car too, even though the Mini's the daily driver. But looking at the seats, the back, it's all the same. This is all identically the same. The door panels are a little bit different, but they didn't bring that red LED lighting. Let me get over here. That red LED lighting to the back like they have in the front. But honestly, it's the same. You still have, it's a cloudy day, it's hard to get this camera in here and show you guys the light. You still have that middle piece, so it still sits 4 people. Those cup holders right there and nothing else. No AC vent, no 12 volt, no USBs, no Type C's, obviously nothing like that in the rear. So yeah, kind of disappointed in Honda about that. I thought they were going to up the ante a little bit and, well, at least throw some AC vents in the back or give us a USB charger, you know, for crying out loud, something like that. They still didn't. They still played it safe and just honestly did it the same. So you guys, I have nothing to say about the rear. I think it's ridiculous, and I think they could have changed a lot of things about it to make, you know, and bring in more happy customers. But yeah, let's take a step back here. So let's get one more look with the doors closed. I don't know. You guys tell me. I think the sides of the FK8 are just miles better than the FL5, like I've said before. So I think the rear is better in the FK8s as well for the Type R. I think it just looks a lot cleaner, in my opinion. Not everybody's a fan of my tail lights. I don't care. I love them. Op7's amazing. Epic brand, perfect quality. Amazing customer service. Highly recommend Op7 for your tail light needs. And the front, I do like the front on the FL5, honestly. But I don't know. Maybe it's just how I modified this project and made the front look good, in my opinion. Because of the grille, because of the splitter. But take away all that, right? Put it back to stock. You guys tell me. Do you think the stock looks better on the FK8 versus the FL5? Or do you think the FL5 stock looks better than the FK8? Put it in the comments. Let me know. Let's have this conversation. And I think that's about it for this video. Thanks you guys for sticking around. Let me get in the lens. Alright everybody, thanks for sticking around. The differences between my FK8 Type R versus the brand new FL5 2023 Type R coming. Let's see how Honda releases this vehicle. You know, let's see what new owners are talking about, the discussions in the forums, the Type R groups. Obviously they're going to be a separate group now, right? FL5 versus FK8. I don't know. It's going to bring up some damage, but we'll see what happens. I'm a very proud and happy owner of my FK8 Type R. All the things I have done to it, all the money I spent, the dedication I put into this project. You guys, I promise you, it's not going anywhere, okay? It's not going to be traded for the FL5, mark my words, it's not. If anything, I would add the FL5 Type R to my collection, but I don't know. I might be going Audi RS3 as a full all-wheel drive vehicle, brand new Audi RS3. Something like that, around that nature. We'll see what happens on Skylyfe projects. Much love and major blessings. You guys, thanks for sticking around for this video. I love you all. Appreciate my new subscribers. This is Skylyfe Projects. Until next time, another video.